What's up, everybody? I'm back with just one tool deal, just one. I promise I'm going on vacation after this. I'm done. But after yesterday's video, I was sitting here looking at this, and when I went to go check out, I still had it in my cart from the day before when I showed you guys if you add the $3.99 DeWALT buy one get one kit to the cart, it would make this 124, which is good. But you know, if we were able to get that starter kit right here, well, where is it? The starter kit here, it would have been better. So, but I couldn't add the cart because obviously the deal sold out, won't let you do anything. So after the video yesterday, I got to thinking. I said, this is still available in store. But you have to drive all around finding a Home Depot that had it in stock. And I said, wait a minute, we could figure that out online. So this is what I did. I went to check nearby stores. And what you want to do is just find a location. It doesn't matter. Let's see. Let's find something in Atlanta. No. Oh, there we go. There we go. So here's one that has 9 in stock, 7 in stock. Ooh, 1 in stock is even better because they won't find it. I'm going to tell you what happens if you do 1 in stock. So add this to cart. Boom. And it's declined. And it's just going to add it, okay? It's just going to add the cart, and it's not going to allow you to pick anything, though. What you have to do is manually go and add this to the cart yourself. So don't do any buy one or anything like that. Just add it to the cart, right? So you're just going to say pick up in store and add it to the cart. So it didn't say, decline the whatever. And you see the cart total still $199. So now when we go to the cart, it's going to break it down, and this becomes $94.24. Cheaper than the Milwaukee M12 at $99, which this is still a great deal, but this is even more fantastical because this thing is way more powerful. And if you didn't see the Torque Test channel video, I'm going to link it up here. Okay, go check that out. Or matter of fact, it'll be in the description. Check it out right after you finish watching this video. So here's the thing. The reason you want to pick one that says 1 or 2, maybe 3 in stock, not one that has 9 or 10 or 11, is because what happened to me yesterday is when I bought each one. So you would pick the store that you actually want to pick this up at. And then try to keep it maybe somewhere local. Like this is in Kansas, and then this one is in Georgia. But probably don't do that. But it wouldn't matter anyway, because the thing is, if you don't really want this, you just won't go pick it up. But here's what happened to me yesterday. So when I added to cart, I added to another place in Kansas, and I think they had 3 in stock. But what they ended up doing, when it has low numbers like that, they probably really don't have it in the store or can't find it, or they sold out, whatever. But they canceled it anyway. So they canceled it. It was like, oh, we just won't charge you. And all they did was just charge me for this. So it's just like me just paying $94.24 for it. So, and this is ready for pickup. So anyway, I wanted to show you guys. That's it for the next week now. I'm pushing my vacation back even further. That's it. Have a great week, and I will see you guys next time.